I think especially these days we have to be mindful not to mistake the narrative for the work, right?
Great.
Because we can often, we can instead become advertisements for ourselves and be preoccupied with the public presenting part of it, especially because like that public presenting part of yourself, that brand, can be quite valuable, but it's only valuable in aggregate over time, over a long period of sustained success. And that success is about making mid-game adjustments. It's about like falling down 7, standing up 8. You know, it's not about just hitting 100% win. I mean, the hardest part is the most wonderful part, which is that you're looking for little moments of magic